Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Cantonese tutorial. Following up with our previous one on the different type of hobbies, today we are going to explore the different type of sports in Cantonese. First of all, doing sports or exercising in general is 做運動, 做運動, 做運動. And if you're the type that would go to gym or fitness, that is 健身, 健身, 健身. Or you can also say 做 gym, 做 gym. And of course, no matter what kind of sports we are doing, we should always start off with the warm-up exercise. 熱身運動, 熱身運動. And yeah, I guess that's also it for all our warm-up exercises in today's video. So let's go into further details on different type of sports game. Looking back at the comments from last time, the most popular type of sports that you guys have mentioned will be ball games. 球類運動, 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 which includes basketball, 籃球, 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 soccer or football, 足球, 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 badminton, 羽毛球, 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 tennis, 網球, 網球, 網球. And in Hong Kong, we have the Rugby 7 every year, and that is 欖球, 欖球, 欖球. And moving on to the more popular ones, running, 跑步, 跑步, 跑步. Swimming, 游水, 游水, 游水. Dancing, 跳舞, 跳舞, 跳舞. And nowadays, a lot of people are into Baby Yoda and doing yoga. So yoga is 瑜伽, 瑜伽, 瑜伽. Boxing, 打拳, 打拳, 打拳. And if you want to be a little more specific, Thai boxing, 泰拳, 泰拳, 泰拳. And the other one that I really like is cycling, 踩單車, 踩單車, 踩單車. And some other ones that you guys have mentioned include hiking, 行山, 行山, 行山. Jogging, 競步, 競步, 競步. Rock climbing, 攀石, 攀石, 攀石. And the last one is weightlifting, 舉重, 舉重, 舉重. So yeah, that's it for the top 15 type of sports name that I want to share with you today, because I don't want to overflow you guys with too many vocabularies in one video like last time. But if there's any specific sports name that you want to know and is not included in this video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll try to reply to you as soon as possible. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the notification button, and share to your friends so more people can learn and speak Cantonese. 好啦，遲啲再見啦，拜拜。呢排係超難揾機會拍片啦，因為呢啲鄰居成日都好嘈啊。我唔知你哋聽唔聽到，但係上面嗰個人喺度睇緊 Star Wars，咁樣樣。